Card copy allows the users to scan each side of the ID cards and print both sides on one side of a single sheet of paper. This scan can also be sent to an email address or network share. Perform the following steps to copy both sides of a card onto one side of a paper. Tap Card Copy on the home screen. Place a card face down in the corner with the arrow. Leave at least a 30mm space, about 1 inch, between the edge of the scanner glass and the document. Close the cover before scanning. Tap Print a Copy. Select the number of copies desired. Enter a value for scale, if desired. In the upper right corner, tap Scan. The first side of the card will be copied. Flip the card and place it on the scanner glass in the approximate same location as for copying the first side of the card. Tap Scan. The second side of the card will be copied. Remove the card and tap OK to return to the card copy screen.